Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got a fun little challenge. We're going to solve this expression, 10 minus 6 times 10 minus 6. At first glance, it looks simple, but don't rush. This is where order of operations can trick you. Take a moment, pause the video if you need to, and try solving it on your own first. Got your answer? All right. Let's solve it together. Most people make the mistake of going left to right and doing 10 minus 6 equals 4. Then 4 times 4 equals 16. That wrong answer of 16 is super common, but it happens because they ignore PEMDAS. The correct way to take is, first we handle the parentheses. That is 10 minus 6, which is 4. So now the expression is 10 minus 6 times 4. Now here's where a lot of people slip up. If you just go left to right, you do 10 minus 6 equals 4. Then 4 times 4 equals 16. But that's not right. Why? Because of PEMDAS. Remember the rule: parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, left to right. Addition and subtraction, left to right. So, multiplication comes before subtraction. So we do 6 times 4 equals 24 first. Now we have 10 minus 24, and that equals minus 14. So the correct answer is negative 14. Did you get it right? Now, here's a bonus challenge for you. Can you solve this for 12 minus 7 times 12 minus 7? Think it through carefully. Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Mathspire for more fun puzzles. Keep on learning.